Hi everyone. Today we are going to be looking at the distributive property. Okay, well, the distributive property is an important property in math. In fact, it's distributing multiplication over addition, and it can be distributed over subtraction. So, for example, what if I had 4 times x, we'll just do a minus 3. Okay, I like to think of the distributive property as you are the dealer in a card game. Okay, and if you are the dealer in a card game, you have to deal the same number of cards to all the players that are in the game, right? Well, the 4 is the dealer. It's what's being dealt. You are the dealer. I am dealing to the x because that's one of the players. And I'm dealing to the -3 because that's the other player. Because what's inside the parentheses are the players in the game. And you have to deal the same number of cards or the same thing to each. So 4 times x gives me 4x. 4 times -3. I just write down the minus. 4 times 3 is 12. All right, let's get a hard one. All right, how about this? 5 times 4 plus x, close parentheses, minus 3 times t plus 1. You notice we have 2 different sets of parentheses, so it's like we have 2 different games going on. Okay, 5 is being dealt to these players, and the -3 is being dealt to these players. So I take 5 times the 4, and then 5 times the x. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times x gives me 5x. Then I'm going to deal my -3 to each of these players. -3 times t is -3t. -3 times 1 gives me -3. And then last, what I have to do is I've got to combine like terms. Okay? So, what I'm going to do, let me grab another color. I have 20 is just a number, and -3 is just a number. These two have different variables, so they're not like terms with anything else. Okay, so 20 take away 3 is 17, and I just bring these down. Plus 5x minus 3t. All right, that's all. Awesome. So it's not as bad as it looks. Just remember, you can only distribute to the players of the game you're in. So the 3 is with this game. The 5 was with this game. Awesome, awesome. Well, as my students tell me, hit like and follow because I always forget to say that. Have a good one.